3D printing is revolutionizing manufacturing, but it poses significant challenges to intellectual property rights. Let's look at the core issues. The core conflict arises because 3D printing blurs the lines between design, manufacturing, and consumer use, areas typically governed by separate IP laws. The ability to produce complex designs at home challenges existing IP structures designed for mass production environments. Digital piracy, already rampant with software and media, is now easily extended to physical goods via shareable 3D design files. 3D scanning technology allows anyone to quickly and accurately replicate an existing physical object into a digital file for unauthorized printing. It's extremely difficult to enforce IP rights when production is decentralized, occurring in homes and small workshops globally, rather than centralized factories. The biggest threat to innovators is patent infringement, where a 3D printed object incorporates patented technology. We must distinguish between direct infringement, the actual act of printing a patented item, and indirect infringement, such as distributing the design file. The complexity lies in assigning liability. Is it the designer who created the file, the individual who printed it, or the platform that distributed the file? Beyond utility patents, copyright and trademark laws are also under siege by the accessibility of 3D printing. Copyright protects the aesthetic, non-functional design of objects, which are easily replicated via 3D printing, threatening design industries. Trademark infringement involves the unauthorized use of logos and brand identifiers on 3D printed goods, leading to consumer confusion and brand dilution. To combat these issues, solutions must address both technological and legal deficiencies. Technological solutions like embedding digital rights management, or DRM, into the printable file can restrict unauthorized use or replication. Legal adaptation is crucial, requiring updates to patent and copyright laws to specifically address digital manufacturing and decentralized production models. We must accept that IP enforcement in the 3D printing era demands novel, multifaceted strategies. The core analytical challenge is balancing innovation freedom with the protection of intellectual property rights in this rapidly evolving space. The future of IP in additive manufacturing depends on collaborative efforts between policymakers, technologists, and the industry to define clear, enforceable rules.